Today we are going to make a different kind of tea. It's called vanilla coconut tea, and I'm going to show you the ingredients first. So we'll need a coconut milk, then we'll have cloves, then cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg powder, custard powder, then milk, then tea leaves, sugar. Yeah, so let's start now. So we'll start with, guys, we are going to make the tea for 2 large cups. So what we'll do, we'll put half of the cup of coconut water in here. Yeah, you can see almost half of the cup of coconut water, and then you need to add the similar amount of milk in it. So you will see, yeah, so now you have the milk also here, okay. And then what you will do, you will put it in blender, right? Yeah. And then the vanilla powder, so it will give you amazing smell. You will just love it. Yeah, so we'll put 3 to 4 teaspoons depending on how much you want, how strong fragrance you want. So I am putting 4 because I love vanilla. Yeah, you can see the vanilla powder is there. Okay, and then we'll add very little bit of vanilla essence to add on to the fragrance. So probably 2-3 drops, not more than that, guys, because it will change the taste if you put a lot of vanilla essence. And now the last thing for our this is, we'll put sugar. So I'll go with 4 teaspoons. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, a little bit more to make it sweet. Okay, so now we have all the things ready. So we'll just blend it for a few minutes. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So now we are good to go with this. So we have ready our basic items. Now we'll make a simple tea. So what we'll do, we'll take another, as we have already had the 1 cup of milk and coconut milk. So now, because we are making 2 cups, we'll have 1 cup of water. And then we'll put 4 cloves in it, then 1 cinnamon stick, then 2 cardamoms, yeah. So this is how it is. Okay, and a little bit of nutmeg powder. Okay, and now the tea leaves. Okay. Now we'll just boil the tea. Yeah. If you want a little strong tea, then you can put 1 more teaspoon. So now we will just let the tea boil, and once that's done, yeah, we can just serve it. And so guys, it will take 1-2 minutes. So now the tea has boiled, so we'll just switch off the gas, and we'll just put this. Okay, it's looking amazing. Yeah. Okay. Now we will just put this and keep it for 5 minutes, and after that we'll see how it smells. I'm sure it smells amazing. So we have kept the tea for 10 minutes. Now we will just remove it. Okay, and we'll just pour it into the cup. Now we have amazing tea. Okay guys, we have this vanilla coconut tea. Thank you for your time. If you like the video, please hit like.